This video shows what to do if your HP LaserJet printer does not pick up or feed paper from the automatic document feeder, or ADF, when you do have paper loaded, and a doc feeder mispick error message displays on the printer's control panel. Often the condition of the paper you're using can cause paper not to feed correctly. Use only good quality paper that meets printer specifications. Remove any paper from the ADF. Examine the condition of the paper you are trying to use. Remove any damaged paper. Damaged paper cannot be scanned or copied through the ADF. It must be loaded on the scanner bed. Do not load more than 35 sheets in the paper stack. Larger stacks of paper can lead to pickup or feeding problems. The printer can only process one type of paper at a time. Make sure all the paper is the same size and type. Align the stack of paper by tapping it on a flat surface. Load the paper into the ADF tray until it stops. Slide the paper width guides inward until they stop at the edge of the paper. Do not push the guides in so tightly that they start to bend the paper. Press OK on the control panel to continue with the current printing task. If the issue is resolved, you do not need to continue troubleshooting. You can resume printing as normal. If the issue persists, go on to the next step. Printer rollers get dirty from dust, paper fiber, and other debris. In this step, you'll clean the rollers and separator pad. Before you begin, gather the following cleaning materials: clean, lint-free cloth, clean water. Distilled or bottled water is preferable, but not required. Do not use alcohol or other chemical cleaners. Remove the paper from the ADF tray. Press the power button to turn off the printer. Turn to the back of the printer. Disconnect the power cord. Return to the front of the printer. Open the ADF cover and locate the rollers and separator pad. Clean the rollers with a clean, lint-free cloth lightly moistened with water. The cloth should be damp, but not soaking wet. Wipe each roller starting on the right side of the roller and wiping to the left. Use your finger to turn the roller up as you finish cleaning a section of the roller. Make sure you remove any buildup or debris from the entire surface of the rollers. Clean the separator pad the same way you cleaned the rollers. After cleaning the rollers and separator pad, leave the ADF cover open for 2 minutes to allow them to dry. Close the ADF cover. Load the paper that you want to scan or copy into the ADF tray until it stops. Slide the paper width guides inward until they stop at the edge of the paper. Do not push the guides in so tightly that they start to bend the paper. Turn to the back of the printer. Reconnect the power cord. Return to the front of the printer. Press the power button to turn the printer back on. After the printer is powered back on, test the ADF. Press the Start Copy button on the control panel to make a copy. If the issue is resolved, you do not need to continue troubleshooting. You can resume printing as normal. If the issue persists, go on to the next step. If you've tried everything described in this video and still have a problem, your printer likely needs some type of service. Your options for service may vary depending on how long you've owned it and what country you live in. Contact HP to find out what the support options are for your printer. You can find additional helpful videos at hp.com/support videos and on our YouTube channel, youtube.com/HP printer support.